Vanakkam. Due to my prior important commitments at Delhi, I am sorry for my inability to be at Chennai with all of you for this very important event. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. The 1989 United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child was unique as it spoke of human rights of children and need of their special care. It categorized children's rights into four groups as survival right, protection right, development right, and participation rights. These four categories of child rights include health, education, recreation, security, and all those issues that are required for a standard life of the children. Trafficking of persons constitutes the third largest global organized crime after drugs and the arms trade, and it's growing year on year. The sheer magnitude of the alarming numbers of missing children raises some questions. Are we really civilized? Could there be a more potent form of savagery? In a country of 1.25 billion people, 3 million children are reported to be missing. 60% of girls sold in India are from the underprivileged and marginalized segments. Children are kidnapped for human trafficking, illegal organ transplantation, prostitution, child porn racketing, child labor in factories, and unpaid domestic help. Many children are forced to beg. Some are mutilated to evoke sympathy for more earning potential, and a small percentage for ransom. Children between the ages of 6 and 13 are the most targeted and vulnerable. Infants are also taken, sometimes from the very hospitals they are born in or from railway stations and other crowded places. In a nutshell, there is a need of investment of all resources for an all-round development, safety, security, and growth of children if they are to be developed as true resources. The central and state governments should bring out and earnestly implement a new comprehensive legislation that will address human trafficking in all its forms and enforce increased penalties for trafficking of minors and for repeat offenders. I compliment and congratulate Daya Foundation led by Srimati Lata Rajnikant for the initiative taken through their Care for Children Project Abhayam for taking up the cause of the children in general and the missing children in particular. I wish this conference all success. Thank you.